continuing on with our day. We just finished up breakfast at Trattoria al Forno, and Jen wants to stop here, get a little bit of a treaty treat.
Maybe more than one.
Maybe more than one. Here's Bubbles the Bear. All the Bubbles the Bear merch that she's got going on in here. Cute. Very cute. You want some Bubbles the Bear merch?
It's really pricey.
I know, but it's cute.
So let's see how much a keychain is. It's free. $37 for this one bag charm. The little ballerina bag charm is $36.99. Ooh.
Yeah, I know.
How much for a bag of candy? Free.
I don't think it's free. But so this is the to-go shop right next to Cake Bake. So you've got a lot of to-go items you can grab, including coffee. You could actually,
Look, if you want a stuffed swan, that'll set you back $48.99. I mean, it's beautiful merch, don't get me wrong, but it's pricey.
Yeah, it is. So our waitress the other day, Ashley, said that you can actually get drinks in here, alcoholic beverages in here, but they're a little more like pre-mixed. So one of the things that she recommended was to see if you can get into the bar in the main restaurant. If it's not full, you can possibly go in and sit at the bar without a reservation. That's very iffy, you know.
We tried to do that last night and they would not let us. They said it was closed for a private event.
Yes, so they were not taking any regular reservations at all last night. But, so yeah, that's okay. We're here now we're looking and hoping to get something good. We got some cookies, peppermint cookie crunch. We've got some truffles, some fudge down there. And of course, here's what she is really famous for different cakes.
They are so beautiful.
Yeah. So you can pre-order cake here, different whatever cake you want, I guess. But what did you say about the size? Because these cakes are actually really very pricey.
There are different sizes that they can make for you if you let them know a couple days in advance. You can also go online and order them and have them shipped.
So there are different prices for. You can get smaller cakes, not necessarily this size. Gotcha.
Yes. Okay, so we know we want a raspberry jam crumble bar.
Here's the
we want a magic bar.
The lemon blueberry cake.
That was so good.
Yeah. Here's the coconut cake. Here's the millionaire cake. So we also have some macarons, the magic bar, the raspberry crumble bar. The raspberry's the one in the front. The magic bar is in the back. There's a blueberry plum cake. Brownies.
So we want a raspberry jam crumble bar, a magic bar.
Here's a peppermint candy cane chocolate cake, pearl quart chocolate cake. Sorry, I'll trade places with you, Jen. Raspberry champagne
Just so
cake.
I know what to order.
Red velvet cake. Peanut butter mousse pie.
That's what they were talking about.
Yeah, that's the to-go.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, so this is what we had the other day for breakfast. Well, after breakfast we had, or lunch, whatever you want to call it, but we had the chocolate peanut butter mousse. But to get the pie in a to-go container, they did this. So all the ingredients are there. It's just shaped in a to-go container, which is really very convenient because it's kind of hard to eat a pie when you're walking.
Okay, I need a magic bar and a raspberry jam to start. I'm gonna need, you want that too?
Do you want it?
Sure. We need a key lime pie and one of the peanut butter
Chocolate peanut butter mousse pie.
We'll do the pretty pink and raspberry macaron. And then how big is the small gingerbread teddy bear?
So everything on this side is just the same as the other side over there. Same cakes and same treaty treats in the display here. Same as the other side. But you said you wanted the Bubbles gingerbread bear.
Yeah, he sold out.
Oh, it's a ginger cookie. But yeah, that's sold out. Interesting. Well, that's kind of a bummer. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man.
I think this is our biggest cake bake haul ever.
So, all right, let me just...
so, I'm not going to take everything out, but you guys
bring it-
can
bring
kind
it-
of peek inside.
Yeah, bring it down a little lower. So we got... You can sit on the bench.
Okay, let's do
Yeah,
that.
Sit on the bench. We got
All
the
right.
Marie Antoinette macaron.
So wait, so look how beautiful this is. I do want to pull this one out. Look at that, how that's packaged. And all the beautiful pink glitter.
So it's a big macaron, and what's in the center of it? It's like a
I
raspberry
think there's
jam.
some kind of cream and fresh raspberries.
Yeah. So now, this is a chocolate peanut butter mousse pie.
Yes, it is so popular in the restaurant that they've made it to go.
Right, so they do it, I had mentioned this earlier.
Yes.
They put it in a to-go cup, so it's easier to eat it, but the ingredients are all the same.
Yes. We got the key lime pie to go.
And then a
The
big
carrot
chunk
cake.
of carrot cake.
Look at how beautiful that is.
Yeah.
And then I'm not going to open these because they are wrapped.
Yeah, they're wrapped.
But we got a magic bar and like a raspberry jam bar.
Yes.
So I'm really excited. We're going to bring some of this over to Joe's parents' house tonight so they can eat the deliciousness and enjoy it.
Exactly.
But man, Cake Bake Shop, man, I'm obsessed.
So, here. So, not to get into too much TMI, but we ate here the other day and had a really, really, really good meal and felt really, really good afterwards.
Yeah.
We just ate at Trattoria and
The food was good.
It was good, but
I had a little bit of an upset stomach.
yeah, I feel like it's just not digesting right. Whenever that happens,
Yeah.
it just, you could tell the quality of the food. I mean, it was so good. Eating it was
It was
good over there.
But like Cake Bake uses the best of the best ingredients.
I just wanted to point that out. I know we've been, since they opened, we've been really on the Cake Bake bandwagon.
The food
but-
has always been a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
The service
There
a
was
couple
one
times
time-
was
time.
okay. One
One
time
time.
it was not stellar. It wasn't horrible, but it wasn't stellar. Every other time has been
Yes.
amazing, and
Yes.
this last time was probably the best service we've ever received.
Yeah, I mean, but that says something because the first two times we dined here, the service was exceptional. So, anyway, I just wanted to bring that up because of the quality of the food. And yeah, you're paying more when you look at how much we got here and how much we spent for these treats.
Yeah.
We know that the ingredients and the quality is going to be really, really
But I also
good.
want to say too, if you want to bring stuff home from Cake Bake, everything travels very well.
Yeah.
We've had 4 or 5 hours between catching the flight and driving and all the things, and we've eaten the stuff a week later and it's still been fresh and delicious.
Yeah, exactly.
So don't be afraid to order something and bring it home with you.
Okay, well, let's move on to
All right,
the
we have
next
a couple
stop.
more things to do before we have to get on the road to drive to St. Pete.
Yes, let's go.
Coming up next on Jen and Joe on the Go.